Hi, in this video we want to talk about connecting laptop into your panel and about unlocking and unlocking memory. So we are inside the panel, and this is the card, the PCB where the a laptop connection comes through, and this is our memory lock. And I will zoom in as far as we can. As you can see, that's a simple switch. Sorry, I just kicked my camera. That's a simple switch. Has only two positions: down, up, down, up. I don't remember now which one is which, but panel will tell you. And this here is your connection to the laptop. There's there are four pins here. I just disconnected now. You cannot see those pins because they're here behind that plastic part, but you can look at that. This just plugs into that thing. Now this is a modem which you connect to your laptop through the regular USB cable. See, that's exactly the same USB connection as comes on the printer. That's your USB cable, and the other side obviously goes to the panel. For this to work on your laptop, you must have a driver installed. When you buy that, so you see the number, you can order that and buy it. It comes with the CD. You have to install that driver on your laptop, otherwise that thing won't work. So this goes to the panel, and obviously other side of the cable, USB cable, goes to the laptop. I will connect it now here, and we will, next video, will power up. We'll try to connect laptop to the Morley panel. Okay, so we are connected now. I'll see you in the next video.